This is Ventu Sky. You can do all kinds of stuff on here. Precipitation. Let's take it to the 25th and let's move it up here. Let's see. That would be 0.16 inches of liquid. Let me get down here. Let's see what we got on here. That would take it to half an inch. Almost 1 full inch of liquid, which would be like 10 to 12 inches of snow. And here is Sunday. That's 2.19 inches of snow. That's, to me, that's almost 20 inches. Now, this is showing liquid. Could it be sleet mixed in? That could, or, freeze and rain. That'll reduce it a lot. But the actual liquid is a lot. You see 2.77. Look at all this. That is wild. All right. Then you have 2.15 with the low pressure down there. Then you have 1.68, still Sunday. 0.19, and it's off the coast here. All right, that's Monday. It's starting to pull by 0.63. And it's still Monday. Backlash, wraparound. Monday, and then it's still hanging. Snow showers. All right, so you see that. That's going into Monday. Let's see here. You got Tuesday, nothing. Excuse me, Wednesday. This is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We have another big storm is going to happen. It looks like a major storm. This is going to be another one. It's going to be interesting. All right, you have Saturday. You have the 1st. Looks like snow again. That's 0.11 just starting. There'll be Sunday the 1st. You got 0.39 liquid. You have 1.17. This is Sunday. Look at this. That's at least 10, 12 inches. What else we get? Wait a minute. 3.05 inches. Let me see here. What's it say here? 2.45 inches of liquid. Now, it says snow, 3.06. But that's going to be more than 3 inches. That's liquid. So what is that going to be? 10, 20 inches, 30 inches? 2.04. Lancaster, 1.95. Reading, 2.4. Allentown, 2.39. New York, 1.52. Look at this low pressure here. You have major winds coming off the coast, battering the whole Jersey Shore. Look at that flow, the flow onward to the coast. And then it's right over Philadelphia. No way. 5.73 inches? That can't be right. That can't be right. This is pulling out the 1st. That would be impossible. This say it was even 10 inches of liquid. That would be 50 inches of snow. It can't be right. I mean, we've had 36 inches before. That was the storm of the century. Was it 1996? This is going to be crazy if this happens, something like this. But it's pulling it right up here. Now, this is talking a week and a few days away. You have Reading, 3.86, 4 inches of liquid. Because, see, this is precipitation. It's this water equivalent. So if you're seeing 2 inches, well, most snowfall is about 10 to 1. So what's 5 inches, 6 inches? That's like 50 inches. I've never seen that. That'll be the biggest storm ever in history. I don't know. I mean, you can see 1, 2 inches. That's possible. That is crazy. Where's the height? Where did it say 6 inches? 6.19. Let me get closer here. Look at that. 5.9. Radnor 6. Bensalem 3. 5.9. 6 inch. That would be insane. And then you have changes look like right back down on Sunday. That's crazy. Let me go to the actual snow cover. We'll do that 31st. All right, so it has 9 inches. That would be on Saturday, but that could be from the previous snow, so it's hard. It's hard to see here. 9, 8. Still is 9. 8. Look at down here, Harrisburg. Or not Harrisburg. It's Harrisburg, Virginia. Look at this out here. Pittsburgh 13. You're talking 22 inches. And look at the winds. That's still in the first. 4 inches. You can see out west. Now it's all the snow cover, so it's hard to say from what's previous to before. So, but you can see this on the second, the liquid amount. So precipitation. See, this isn't snow. This is water equivalent, so up to 2 inches. Boston, they actually have Boston that winds like 70 miles an hour. I mean, if it's cold enough, it was a rain snow line, and if it was all snow and it's just coming down, you ever see storms and you go, oh, if it was snow, it would be like 3 feet. That would be crazy. Let's look at the winds. See wind speed, wind gusts. Yeah, here it is. Where are we at here? Where's Boston? Oh, here it is. Look at the wind, 66 miles an hour on February 2nd. Are you kidding me? Look at this flow. That is a, what's tropical storm, about 75 miles an hour? Holy crap. That is crazy. Jersey Shore 30, 51. You're talking 60, Portland, Maine, Providence. Let's go back to the first. Yeah, look at this, Virginia, 66 miles an hour. This is going to be major beach erosion. Then up and down, yeah, Jersey Shore 46, New York 30. That is unbelievable. Winds, Philadelphia. So if it is a major nor'easter, 39, that's going to be major drifts if it's like a few feet. 52 miles an hour, they're predicting February 1st. So you're going to have one storm. That looks like it's nothing compared to this storm. The 1-2 punch. You have 65 mile an hour gusts in Baltimore. You usually get that on the coast, 65, 70. It's, what is this going to be, like a small hurricane? Winter hurricane, you could call it? 52 gust? Are you kidding me? 62 miles an hour. Look at this flow onshore. It looks like you see it wrapping up the low pressure. This is the way away. This is weak, and right now, about week in 2 days. 63 miles an hour. All right, then you have 48 starts to go up, and New York has 72 mile an hour gusts, 78, 80 miles an hour. This must be some huge polar vortex storm again, back to back. Would this happen back to back? You have 52 miles an hour Philly, then it goes to Boston. Then you can see it spread all the way up to yeah, way off the coast by then. The second, it's still hanging on New York. There's the low pressure right there. Holy God. Now, if this is a sitting one, that's why. If this sits and dumps snows for 12, 24 hours, then you could easily see 2 feet. That's why maybe it was predicting liquid of like 3, 4, 5 inches. You know, it's hard to say, it's so far away, but that could easily happen. And this is still hanging on. Wow. Then you have major winds up there. 35, that's still the second. When do we get the third? What are we going on here? Oh, here's the third. It's still pretty windy. And where's that storm? It's way out to sea. This is going to be interesting. So, you know, 2 storms could happen here. Let's get by the first. Yeah, the first will be the 25th and 26th. As soon as Monday's out, should be clear by then. Then we'll watch, see what happens with this. But if it's back to back, we're all going to get crushed.